Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. In the last video, we had discussed about adding a new script and changing this stage backdrop. In this video, I am going to tell you how we can execute a script and what is the meaning of using a script. I has already told you in the Google Classroom that execution means to run a program. Means with the help of this, when we click a button, we will simply run the program. We will run a, you can say, a script, sprite. It is given in your book that as of now we have learned that script gets executed when we click on block stack, and then when we create stories animations, it always better to trigger the script execution on the occurrence of an event. So the event could be clicking on the green flag that I had already told you and I had already shown you in the Google Classroom, that with the help of these blocks, and with the help of particularly this block, when flag clicked, we will be able to execute the programs. Means we will be able to able to move the sprite, means we can give them motion. This is just like a play button. When we click on this button, our sprite will start working. After this one, we had discussed about using the pen. Means with the help of this pen we can simply do different things. Means we can clear the scripted area, we can use the stamp, we can pen down use, we can use pen up, then we can set the pen color, we can change the color of the pen, and then we can set pen shade, and then we can change the pen shade with the help of a particular number, then set pen shade to this one, different one, and then change pen size, and then we can increase the size and we can decrease the size. So what are the these blocks basically used in pen blocks? So pen is basically category allow us to draw interesting shapes. Means with the help of shapes, this pen block, we can simply change the make shapes, and we can fill the color also in these shapes. So what we will have to do, we will have to choose our particular motion, particular control button to use these things. Means suppose if you want that your sprite basically move and also write, so with we will use pen down command. Means with the help of this pen down, we will the sprite will move as well as it will write. वो चलेगा भी और लिखेगा भी. Pen up means if we don't want that simply it is moving and it will write. No, we don't want, we want that simply it will move, then we will simply use pen up. If you want to clear the screen, means if you don't want this kind of things you don't want to see on the screen on the stage, then you can simply clear the screen. And then if you want to change the color, you can also change the color of the pen. Or if you want to change the color of from a particular time to particular time, means 10 step chalne ke baad wo dusra color likhe, then you can also choose it with the help of change the pen color. And if you want to change the shade of the pen, you can also change it. And the same way, if you want to change the shade, means from this particular time to that particular time, then you can also manage it with the help of change the pen shade by this much to that much. You can do that. Means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे उसका अलग शेड होना चाहिए, दूसरी जगह से तीसरी जगह पे अलग शेड होना चाहिए, then you can use it. Means it is given. These are the commands which is given in the pen blocks. You can use it, and I has already told you it is given in new ones also, but new ones so many things have changed. So that's why I told you to use the Scratch 1.4, the old version of that. It is given clearly on the block palettes. In the block palettes you will see there is pen block, and in the pen blocks you can simply use it. And next it is given in your book that's what is the use what we can do with the help of block stack for creating triangle. Means if you want to make a triangle, how we can use it. So it is given different blocks. You will have to arrange these wise particular in a sequence order, and then after you will be able to make a triangle. Next one was block stacks for creating a square. If you want to make a square, Here is also given, you know what, so many palettes. In these you will have to choose these, you know what, commands, and then after it will have to arrange sequentially, and after that you will be able to make a, it will be able to make a square. And if you want to make a, you know what, circle, you can also, you know what, make it. So I think this lesson is finished. I will send you PDF also of this lesson today. In the next video we will discuss about our next chapter, which is internet services. We will start new lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.